Hi, first graders. Today we are working on Fast Math number 9. So make sure you turned open and find the bus that says number 9 on it. All right, number 1 says subtract these numbers, then circle the correct answer. So the first one says 7 minus 3 equals what? So try that out, 7 minus 3. If you think the answer is 4, circle 4. If you think the answer is 5, circle 5. If you think the answer is 6, circle 6. The second one is 5 minus 3. So 5, take away 3 of them. What's your answer? Is your answer 1? Is your answer 2? Or is your answer 3? Circle the answer that makes the most sense. Number 2 says circle the boxes that have 8 stars. So you're going to count the boxes and figure out which one has 8 stars. There might be more than one answer for that one. So that's your little clue. Make sure you check all the boxes. All right, the next one, we have some addition. So all of these have plus signs today. So you're adding for all of them. So I want you right now to hit pause and then practice adding them. Go ahead. All right, the next part says, Mom made 5 pancakes. Then she made 4 more. How many pancakes did Mom make all together? So fill it out how you need to. Do you think you're going to be adding or subtracting? What's the information you know? What's your plan? And your solution is the answer. Push pause if you need to figure those out or take time to do those. Otherwise, take out your correcting pens because we're going to be your own teacher and correct your paper. So the first one, 7 minus 3. So if you have 7 and you take away 3, 1, 2, 3, you have 4 left. The next one said 5 minus 3. So here's 5. I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 fingers left. The next one says circle the boxes that have 8 stars. So let's count this first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's not that one. Let's try the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one is. But remember, there might be more than one answer, so let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is another one that has 8. Nice. All right, moving on to the addition. So 6 plus 5. So I like to start with the biggest number and then count on 5 more. I noticed this one is also kind of like a doubles plus 1 fact because I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. But this one's 6 plus 5, so that's 1 more than that. So 1 more than 10 would be 11. So I'm going to see if that works using my other technique. So I started at 6, count up 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got the same answer. Awesome. Let's try the next one. So this one we have 2 plus 7. 7's the bigger number, so I'm going to start at 7 and count up 2. 7, 8, 9. Good. Next one, 6 plus 2. I'm going to start at 6 and count up 2 more. 6, 7, 8. Good. The next one, 5 plus 3. So 5 is bigger, so I'm going to start at 5 and count up 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. The next one, 8. What's 1 more than 8? After 8 comes 9. Good. And the last one, 4 plus 2. I start at 4, count up 2 more. 4, 5, 6. That one's 6. Awesome. The next one says, Mom made 5 pancakes. Then she made 4 more. There's our clue. How many pancakes did Mom make all together? So we know we're adding because she's getting more. And the numbers we know are 5 and 4. So our addition sentence for this one says, Mom made 5 pancakes. Then she made 4 more. So I'm going to add 4 because that's how many she made more. And then we need to know how many she made all together. So I'm going to start at 5 and count up 4 more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we could say Mom made, M-A-D-E, 9 pancakes. And now, first graders, I'm in the mood to eat some pancakes. Anybody else? Some nice warm syrup. That sounds delicious. I don't know if I could eat 9 of them though. Make sure you have your period at the end. All right, nice job, first graders.